Hi viewers. This is RS. Welcome back to our Ultimate Forex Trading course. If you have landed on this video, please don't forget to watch the chapter 1 and 2 of the series. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, so that you will be intimated once new chapter is uploaded. Okay, let's move on to chapter 3. In the earlier chapters we have seen what is Forex and why should we trade Forex. Now it's important for us to know who are the players in Forex market. See this Forex market hierarchy. At the very top of the Forex market ladder, is the interbank market. Composed of the largest banks of the world and some smaller banks. The participants of this market trade directly with each other, or electronically through the electronic brokering services, EBS, or the Reuters dealing 3000 spot matching. For the EBS platform, Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY, Euro CHF, and USD CHF are more liquid. Meanwhile, for the Reuters platform, GBP USD, Euro GBP, USD CAD, AUD USD, and NZD USD are more liquid. Next on the ladder are the hedge funds, corporations, retail market makers, and retail ECNs. Since these institutions do not have tight credit relationships with the participants of the interbank market, they have to do their transactions via commercial banks. This means that their rates are slightly higher and more expensive than those who are part of the interbank market. At the very bottom of the ladder are the retail traders. It used to be very hard for us little people to engage in the Forex market, but, thanks to the advent of the internet, electronic trading, and retail brokers, the difficult barriers to entry in Forex trading have all been taken down. Now we will cover an important subject in this chapter. That is trading sessions. You know what is Forex, why you should trade Forex, and who are the players in Forex market. Now we will see when to trade. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, but that doesn't mean it's always active the whole day. You can make money trading when the market moves up, or the market moves down, but it will be very difficult to make money when the market doesn't move at all. And there will be times when the market is very still. This lesson will help determine when the best times of the day are to trade. The Forex market can be broken up into 4 major trading sessions: the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. Below are tables of the open and close times for each session. If you watch closely, there are times when 2 sessions overlaps each other. In those, Tokyo London and London New York are important, especially in London New York the liquidity will be very high, so trading in London New York overlap will give us high yields. Then, what are the best days to trade? It will be best to trade during the middle of the week. The middle of the week typically shows the most movement, as the pip range widens for most of the major currency pairs. Now, we are slowly getting into the main subject. How we make money in Forex. In the Forex market, you buy or sell currencies. The object of Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another, in the expectation that the currency you bought will increase in value, compared to the one you sold. Let me explain with an example. You purchase 10,000 euros at the Euro USD exchange rate of 1.1800. 2 weeks later, you exchange your 10,000 euros back into US dollar at the exchange rate of 1.2500. 10,000 euro into 1.18 equals 11,800 US dollars, so you have invested 11,800 US dollars. In return, 10,000 euro into 1.25 equals 12,500 US dollars. So 12,500 minus 11,800 equals 700. That means, you earn a profit of 700 US dollars. An exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency valued against another currency. For example, the USD CHF exchange rate indicates how many US dollars can purchase 1 Swiss franc, or how many Swiss francs you need to buy 1 US dollar. Now, learn how to read a Forex quote. See the image below. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency. In this example, that is British pound, while the second one on the right is called the counter or quote currency. In this example, that is US dollar. When buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you have to pay in units of the quote currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency. In this example, you have to pay 1.51258 US dollars to buy 1 British pound. When selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the quote currency you get for selling 1 unit of the base currency. In this above example, you will receive 1.51258 US dollars when you sell 1 British pound. So, if we want to buy, there should be a buy price, and if you want to sell, there should be a sell price. Let's see about that now. All Forex quotes are quoted with 2 prices, the bid and ask. The bid is the price at which your broker is willing to buy the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the bid is the best available price at which you will sell to the market. The ask is the price at which your broker will sell the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the ask price is the best available price at which you will buy from the market. Another word for ask is the offer price. Always bid price will be lower than the ask price. On the Euro USD quote above, the bid price is 1.30562 and the ask price is 1.30670. If you want to sell Euro, you click sell and you will sell Euros at 1.30562. If you want to buy Euro, you click buy and you will buy Euros at 1.30670. The difference between the bid and the ask price is popularly known as the spread. You can't buy $1 or €1, so there should be a measure. In Forex it is called as lot size. When you go to the grocery store and want to buy rice, you can't just buy a single rice, they come in kilograms or grams. 1,000 units of currency is called micro lot, 10,000 units is called mini lot, 100,000 units is called as standard lot, depending on your broker and the type of account you have. Let's see what the heck rollover is. For positions, open at your broker's cut-off time, usually 5 p.m. EST. There is a daily rollover interest rate that a trader either pays or earns, depending on your established margin and position in the market. If you are buying a currency with a higher interest rate than the one you are borrowing, then the net interest rate differential will be positive. As a result you will earn funds. Conversely, if the interest rate differential is negative, then you will have to pay. Now we will see what is pips and pipettes in Forex. The unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies is called a pip. If EUR/USD moves from 1.2250 to 1.2251, that is 1 pip. A pip is the last decimal place of a quotation, given that 4 decimal places are used for pairs without the Japanese yen. If a pair does include the Japanese yen, then the currency quote goes out 2 decimal places. Also note, there are brokers that quote currency pairs beyond the standard 4 and 2 decimal places to 5 and 3 decimal places. They are quoting fractional pips, also called pipettes. If GBP USD moves from 1.51542 to 1.51543, it moved 1 pipette. The important term that every Forex trader should know is the leverage. You are probably wondering how a small investor like yourself can trade such large amounts of money. Once you have deposited your money you will then be able to trade. The broker will also specify how much they require per lot traded. For example, you only have $5,000 in your account if the allowed leverage is 100:1, or 1% of position required, and you wanted to trade a position worth $100,000. No problem, as your broker would set aside $1,000 as down payment, or the margin, and let you borrow the rest. Of course, any losses or gains will be deducted or added to the remaining cash balance in your account, and by this, we come to the end of this chapter. Hope this would be very useful to you. If you doesn't understand clearly, watch the video again and again, until you get thorough with the subject, or ask me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, so that you will be intimated when a new chapter is uploaded. Meet you again with more advanced subjects in next chapter. Until then, bye bye.